So the Supreme Court ruling that the Trump administration can continue deporting migrants to third countries without prior notice. The DHS responding to the decision saying, quote, the Supreme Court ruling is a victory for the safety and security of the American people. DHS can now execute its lawful authority and remove illegal aliens to a country willing to accept them, fire up the deportation plans. The ruling comes after a district judge accused Trump of violating an injunction order by deporting 8 criminal migrants to South Sudan. Let's bring in Fox News contributor and George Washington University law professor, Jonathan Turley. Professor, thanks so much for joining the program.
Thank you, Lawrence.
You know, I get a kick of reading these opinions. I found this part of the dissent quite baffling. This is what Sonia Sotomayor is saying. Rather than allowing our lower court colleagues to manage this high-stakes litigation with the care and the attention it plainly requires, this court now intervenes to grant the government emergency relief from an order it has repeatedly defied. It's essentially, she's saying, oh, just let the lower court decide because it's a liberal court.
Right. I mean, the lower court judge said that, you know, you're sending these people to countries that you've advised Americans to leave because of the violence. But ICE is saying, look, there's a reason why their home countries don't want them. Countries are not clamoring to get more felons, you know, to augment their home population. And that's not our fault. It's your fault. You committed crimes here and you are deportable. And we're not a travel agency. So if your home country doesn't want you, then we're going to find the next best option. With this order, they're allowed to do that. I think part of the concern of the majority is that judges seem to be throwing sand in the works. You know, we just had the Biden administration allowed millions into this country. And once they were here, a lot of people said, well, now they're here and you can't deport them in large numbers. You have to give them hearings. And at every stage, these trial courts have said, well, you need a hearing for this as well. For the Trump administration, that makes the task impossible to try to deal with the millions that were allowed in over the last 4 years.
So, Professor, is this a temporary decision or does this put this issue to bed?
Well, I thought this would be a private conversation, but you can tell Brian, I know he raised that, that indeed this is temporary in the sense that the Court of Appeals decision will go forward. But in granting this relief, the majority has signaled that they do not believe that they're going to prevail on the merits here. And in the interim, the government is correct. They can resume their earlier position, which means they can resume these flights.
So, Professor, I guess the big question is, because we noticed that a lot of the progressives are using the courts as a defense here. What do they do now that this has been ruled on?
Well, we're seeing, as you know, Lawrence, this is a full court press among advocates for these individuals, and they are attorneys. They're trying to find every angle to help their clients. But they're going to many of these favorable jurisdictions and favorable judges, like the one in Boston, and they're issuing these injunctions. On Thursday, we may hear from the Supreme Court on possible limits on injunctions going forward. It's going to be an enormous decision, potentially, for the administration in the immigration area as well as other areas. The court could very well say, enough. We're not going to have individual judges now freezing the entire United States government on critical programs like this.
I cannot wait for that because it's been out of control. Professor, thank you so much. We'll have you on to react to that if we get that decision. Thank you, sir.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.